This is our big window open up job. We're all geared up. Got the old Monkey Beaver suspenders, Weaver climbing belt, old Buckingham spurs with new felt line pads. Yeah, here's our tree right here. You see it's nice and crooked right off the bat. Hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're all having a great week. One more look at it. We'll figure out a spot for it. There's this little fence right here that we don't want to hit and we don't want to move. So we're going up it. And this tree, these trees over here, they're wanting to save, and that's where that tree wants to go. So that's why we're going to go up it, so we don't smash all that up. We don't want to smash up those nice little fir trees and those pine trees if it goes that direction. This little pine tree right here will probably be coming out, but it leans back here towards the yard. There's another reason why we're going up it. It's got two leans to it. You saw the first one, how it got crooked. And now there's the other one. See how it goes up and leans that way. See how it goes up, makes that crook in it? Yeah, so we're going up it. Hopefully the camera keeps going. If not, we'll have some GoPro footage. Close to the fence on that one. As soon as I say something about the wind, here it comes. Here it comes. If the wind gets too bad, we'll just go down and follow it, and we'll do the best we can to get it to not smash up those little fir trees over there. Yeah, this one's hanging way over too. That worked out pretty good, huh? How we doing? Hopefully we're doing good. Pretty nice day. It's overcast and cloudy, but at least it's not pouring rain or freezing rain or nothing gross like that, huh? works pretty good. Just let it fall against the tree, let it do its thing. Like that one fell against the tree and then it swung that way and then back this way, zip it off, it's away from the fence. See that down there? All those limbs stayed away from that little fence. I don't want to jinx myself, but it's turning out pretty nice. This next one is going to have to be peel cut for sure. For sure. See how far out it goes? It goes right out against that, right out over the top of that fence, this one right here. I hope you can see all this that's going on. Let's peel cut it. Just like that. Just like that. There's a couple more that are pretty big up there that are hanging over that little fence. This tree's got all kinds of twists and tweaks to it. Just let those go. I hope that turned out. Yeah! That worked out nicely. It was leaning the wrong way, but we got it. Oh, thank goodness. Look at that view. Look at that view. Had to give her a little push, use some wedges, but that's all right. Look at us go. We're in it. We're in some pretty small wood too, I would say. Sure smells good. Smells real good. Awesome. Well, before this thing dies, I want to thank everybody that's given information, that puts this information out on YouTube and out everywhere else out on the interweb. I truly appreciate it. Not just, you know, not just climbing trees, but going through and explaining, taking time to explain all that kind of stuff and trying to do things right and be safe. And I appreciate everybody's input. Awesome. Well, we'll see you at the bottom. I'm about to run out of battery, so the rest from here will be the other GoPro and the phone. Love y'all from the top of the trees. Hey, Johnny Arnett, I love you, brother. Look at this view. You can see a little bit of your mountain. Hanging on the picks. Love ya. TazMan is rolling. I hope that turned out. Yeah! That worked out nicely. Oh, this is awesome. There's that. Oh, XPW is ripping up that pine.